Tu Xia is a word in the Hmong language that stands for sadness.
When we break this word down, we get tu, which means to stop or to break. And we get xia, which means heart. In this sense, it means your heart has stopped or your heart has been broken. This would make a lot of sense as a representation for sadness, for both would be very painful, and pain almost always accompanies sadness.
But the Hmong also has another word for sadness, for a sense of longing, for a broken heart. And this word is Kho Siab. When we break this word down, we get Kho, which means fix, and Xia, which means heart. So wait, fix heart? Yes, fix a heart. This word does not only encompass sadness and sorrow, but within it, it also holds hope. Hope that you can rebuild after a major fall. Hope that you can heal after a major breakup. Hope that what was broken can still be fixed. And that is beautiful. Did the Hmong people already know that everyone was going to face hardship within their lives? And so instead of using one word to represent just sadness, they use a combined word that stands for sadness, but when broken down, means to fix your heart. So, when you are feeling sad, when you're feeling down, when you are Kho Siab, you must Kho Siab, mend those wounds, fix your heart. For when you're able to do so, your heart will become stronger. You will become stronger. And so everyone, when you are Kho Siab, you must be strong enough to Kho Siab.